Good morning, my name is Angela Caterina Baquero. I am a student in Baquero in English. Today I am going to present the subject derivation for the course of forms and functions. We call derivation to the addition of facts to form a new word. On the other hand, creating a new word by means of the addition of an affix can generate some changes like the following ones. The first change is phonological stress change. Example: academic, photographer. These are some examples. Now, the second one is orthographic change. Beauty, beautiful, priority, priorities. Find when a change in the letters is generated to form another word, but we must keep in mind it is still the same root. Semantic change is evidenced when a modern word involves change its meaning and its use. For example, dark and darkness. And the other can be agree and agreement. And the last and finally, we can find change in word class. Example: enjoy, enjoyable, protection. These changes are generated by adding an affix to the word, but there are no changes in the root or in the orthography of the word. Prefixes is when that process a root, lexeme or lexical base to form a lexical option with different meaning. There are three prefixes. They are called unproductive. These are A, B, and M. For example, atypically, bewitched, and elsewhere. They are called unproductive because they come from other language and are not currently used to form new words. There are seven different kinds of prefixes. The first is time, and prefixes are pre and after. Example: presuppose and afternoon. Now, number, we can find prefix like tri or multi. For example, triangle or multinational. The other is prefixes place. example, independent or inter with intermediate degree, with super or over, like supernatural or overdose. Negation, we can find an or anti, for example, unacceptable or antibody. Suffixes, we can find prefixes like micro or mini, microcosmos or minibus. And the last is privations. The prefix are a or an. Examples, find amoral or unhappy. Suffixes. Unlike the prefixes, the suffixes are found at the end of the word and has the same function to build new words. And there are 4 types of suffixes: adjectivalizer, verbalizer, nominalizer, adverbializer. Nominalizer, we found words the following ending: identification, speaker, movement, freedom, and proposal. Verbalizer, we found words the following ending: complicated, harden, terrify, harmonize. Adjectivalizer, we found words the following ending: wonderful, raining, sensible. The finish, adverbializer, we found words like slowly or anyway. Finally, there are word formations, named splinters, with suffixes or prefixes that one usually not productive. For example, heli, heliport, burger, hamburger, rama, motorama, and Kate, motorcade. Thank you so much for your attention.